I'm Jaden, and I'm going to walk you through how to apply for graduation here at Mission College. Are you ready to graduate from Mission College? Here's everything you need to know about how to apply for graduation. First, make sure you've met the graduation requirements for your degree or certificate program. You can find these requirements on the Mission College catalog or check with your counselor to make sure you're on track. Next, you'll need to submit an application for graduation, and here's how to do it. You're going to start by logging into your student portal on the Mission College website. Once you're in, navigate to the graduation section in the menu across the top. Select the graduation application form for either your associate's degree or certificate. Complete the forms with the necessary details. This includes your program of study and anticipated graduation term. Then, verify your name and address. Be sure to review the requirements for your degree or certificate in DegreeWorks and confirm everything is correct before submitting. Good news, there is no fee to apply. Once you've submitted the form, Admissions and Records will process your application, and a staff member will reach out if more information is needed. Depending on when you apply, it could take 3 to 5 months to confirm your graduation status. And keep in mind, the deadline to apply for graduation is typically several months before your intended graduation date. It's important to apply early to ensure that you have time to correct any issues or missing requirements. After you've applied, you'll receive a confirmation email and your graduation information will be reviewed. If everything is in order, you'll be eligible to participate in the graduation ceremony if you want to, and will receive your degree or certificate. For the processing timeline and other important information, please visit graduation.missioncollege.edu. And for any questions or just to double check your graduation status, you can reach out to Admissions and Records at mc.records@missioncollege.edu. I hope this was helpful, and congratulations on making it this far.